Hello guys, my name is Dan. Today I will show you how to create a button that minimizes a Windows form application, specifically C#. So yeah, we are going to use Visual Studio 2019. Click create a new project and it will create a new project for you. Use a recent project templates. If you never use it, then just search it up. windowsformapp.net. And click create. It may take a while, but yeah, let Visual Studio 2019 do its thing. So as you can see here, resize your form. Now on default, every drag and drop programming language have borders on default. So what I meant was that every single drag and drop programming language such as C# have these buttons, so you have no problem. But what if you want to use a custom border style? Here, form border style, pick none. You just can't have those buttons anymore. Don't worry, if you want to resize your form, I will show you how. First, we create the button. First, char map, type in. We need the necessary lines here, right here. Select and copy, paste it to the button. Fun fact, C# accepts ASCII character. So yeah, now as you can see here, this is our minimize button. We are going to copy it, and this will be our close button. On our previous tutorial, I show you how to create a close button. So we are going to create a close button first. Scroll to form closing. I suggest you choose alphabetical instead of categorize for better finding. Click your form, scroll to form closing, double click it, there we go. Type application .exit. This text is really huge, so if you still can't see it, you need a night check. Press save all, double click your button, type close. For hell's sake, save all again, double click. Now double click your minimize button and type this code right here. This Windows state, this dot Windows state equals form Windows state minimize. Save all. Now as a bonus, I will show you how to maximize your form. So yeah, now go to the chart map again and just search for a square box, or in this case, Google it. There we go. We found our main target. There we go. It may look ugly, but yeah, it will do the trick. Double click your code. Now here is the code. Pause if you want to type it. There we go. Save, and if we go ahead and run our project as usual, you will see that the close button is working. The minimize button is also working. Don't forget the maximize button also works. There we go. And that's how you create a minimize, maximize, close button. I hope this video is really helpful to you. If it does, then you can be sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video on your social media. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.